Today we are making some pumpkin mummy hand pies. They are easy to make, they are spooky, and really, really fun to make with the kids. We're gonna take a 1/4 cup of canned pumpkins and a 1/4 teaspoon each of ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, and a pinch of salt. This is 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. Just give that a nice mix. And this is gonna be our filling for the mummy hand pies. Now we're going to roll out our pie crust. You can make your own, or you can just take a store-bought one like this. You want to roll this out to about 1/8 of an inch thickness. We're going to cut a bunch of 3x6 rectangles, and they look like this. Next, we're going to cut out a bunch of strips that are about 1/4 of an inch thick. To fill your hand pies, you just take a bit of this filling that you've already made, spoon it in the center, and you can spread this with the back of your spoon. And to stick your strips, you want to wash the edges with an egg wash. And this is just a little bit of egg and water. We're going to create a border here. And now for the fun part. You just do zigzagging lines across so that it looks like it's wrapped like a mummy. And to top it off, we're going to add 2 raisins for eyes. So easy. Before you pop this in the oven, just egg wash the top of your pastry here so it gives you a nice glossy finish when it comes out. Pop this into an oven that's been preheated to 350 and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown. And this is what they look like when they come out. Mummy hand pies, so easy.